Introducing InvisiLok, the invisible security immobilizer for Hyundai and Kia, by Digital Guard Dawg. This is a picture of a Hyundai or Kia factory starter relay and where it's located in the engine relay fuse box. And this is a picture of the InvisiLok intelligent immobilizer relay. See the difference? Right, there isn't any. They're identical. This is what we mean when we say invisible security. To install the InvisiLok security system, you just replace the factory relay with the InvisiLok intelligent relay. It's plug and play with no tools required. It's truly that simple. And once installed, it's completely invisible to anyone, even a trained technician. In less than 5 minutes, you've installed a factory-grade advanced RFID immobilizer system, and the vehicle is instantly protected against theft. So how does the InvisiLok security system actually work? Well, let's take a look inside the InvisiLok intelligent relay. Through the use of nano-electronic componentry, we have designed a complete RFID immobilizer system inside a standard relay package. There's nothing else that needs to be installed or added to the vehicle. The second part of the InvisiLok security system's innovative design is an RFID proximity key fob. This is the same technology used in today's most advanced security systems. InvisiLok key fobs use the latest code rolling and code hopping technology and have over 6 billion possible codes. This makes them impenetrable, even by thieves using sophisticated code grabbing devices. Just keep the RFID key fob in a pocket or purse. InvisiLok's intelligent relay will automatically detect when the key fob comes into proximity. Your security is completely automatic. InvisiLok key fobs are rugged, have a high-grade stainless steel outer frame, are fully waterproof, and best of all, provide completely hands-free operation of your vehicle's security. As you walk away from your vehicle, InvisiLok automatically arms and immobilizes the vehicle's starting system, leaving your vehicle secure and fully protected. And because InvisiLok works automatically, it's impossible to ever forget to protect your vehicle. As you return to the proximity of your vehicle, InvisiLok detects your RFID key fob and automatically disarms the system, and you're ready to start. There's no buttons to push, no codes to remember. What could be easier? InvisiLok is the right product at the right time. Presented in appealing packaging for customers, it adds that much-needed security immobilizer to all 2011 and newer Hyundais and Kias. It provides advanced protection against auto theft, which will give your customers some real peace of mind and eliminate their worries about buying a vehicle that doesn't already have a theft immobilizer system. It's a simple 5-minute plug-and-play install that can easily be done by your PDI department or lot personnel. And last but certainly not least, InvisiLok will create a viable new profit center for virtually every department in your dealership. InvisiLok, generate new profits while increasing your customer security and satisfaction.